You tried meditation to calm your mind, but somehow you feel worse after it. More anxious. You think you are doing it wrong. You are not. You are doing exactly what they told you to do. And that's why it's making you worse. And once you see why, you won't look at meditation the same way again. Every morning, same time, no excuses. I did for a year straight. Don't miss a single day. And my anxiety didn't go down, it got louder. Like I opened something in my head and couldn't shut it. I thought I was the problem, so I tried harder. Longer sessions, better apps. It kept getting worse, so I did what every anxious person does. I googled it, and this is where it gets uncomfortable. This isn't real. In a real study, more than 1 in 10 people got worse. Not beginners, people doing it properly. Anxiety spikes, emotional numbness, disconnection. Why does nobody talk about this? Because there's an entire industry built on one idea that silence works for everyone. It doesn't. This is where most people unknowingly mess up. The most popular style is just sitting and watching your thoughts sound peaceful. For a calm brain, it works. For an anxious brain, you just sat alone with your worst thoughts and gave them your full attention. That's not calming, that's fuel. And this part is dangerous if you miss it. Your brain doesn't produce neutral thoughts, it produces threats, worst case scenarios, loops, and when you observe them, you won't weaken them, you train them. This has a name, rumination. You are not calming your mind, you are practicing anxiety. Be honest, when meditation didn't work for you, did you blame the method or yourself? Drop it below because that one mistake keeps people stuck for years. There is a version that works, but no one is selling it to you because it's free and it looks nothing like what you've been doing. Instead of watching your thoughts, you give your brain a task so specific it can't run on anxiety loops, cold water on your hands, counting backwards, describing textures around you. It sounds stupid. That's exactly why people ignore it, and that's why it works. Think about this. Millions of people use meditation for anxiety while unknowingly using the version that makes it worse every day, and when it fails, they are told to do more of the things that's breaking them. Here's the fix: 4 minutes, no app, one object. Focus on it completely. Texture, temperature, details. When your mind drifts, bring it back. Not gently, deliberately. You are not trying to relax. This is control. Do it for 7 days, then decide. You weren't bad at meditation, you were just using the wrong tool. If that's you, try this tonight. And if you are tired of advice, that sounds good, but quietly makes you worse. Subscribe, that's all we fix here.